In this video, we'll learn how to change the modified or created date of a file in Ubuntu. First, let's talk about what's possible. On Ubuntu and most Linux systems, you can change the modified date of a file. But the created date is not stored by default in traditional file systems like ext4, so we'll focus on changing the modified and accessed dates. Let's begin. Open your terminal. Type the command touch file name. This updates the file's modified and accessed times to the current time. If you want to set a specific date and time, use this command. Here's what that means. Y is the year, is the month, DD is the day, HH is the hour, is the minutes, SS is the seconds, for example. To set the time to May 1st, 2025 at 3:30 p.m., use touch TT 202,305,011,530.00 file name. You can check if it worked using this command. Stat file name. Look at the modify and access lines in the output. That's it. Now you know how to change the modified date of a file in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.